Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're taking a look at the iAdapt 6-in-1 multi-port USB-C hub plus fast Ethernet from Kanex. It offers 1 gigabit Ethernet, 4K HDMI output, USB 3.0, micro SD, SD, and charging. So you've got your 2 ports here that go into your device, your MacBook, MacBook Pro. Then you have HDMI, USB-C, 2, USB-A. You have your Ethernet, fast 1 gigabit port right there. And on this end, you have the micro SD and the SD card slot right there. We like how thin and small it is. It's very light, made out of metal. And then here are the different models of computers that it's compatible with. And then here's some details on the back and showing you all the ways that you can plug in different items to your computer with this very small hub. It's got a metallic outside. It's very sleek, and like I said, it's pretty light, but it can definitely do the job. This is from Kanex, and it's the iAdapt 6-in-1 adapter.